questions on your exam. One will be multiple choice and one will be a graphing question of a piecewise function. So this question is, which is most appropriate for a function that represents the number of items f of x placed into a laundry basket each day x, okay, for the month of January. So f of x, and we want the domain, and the domain is representing the number of items is f of x, so that's the output placed in a laundry basket each day is x for the month of January. So in this case, because it's not saying half a day, it's saying for each day, right? So it's not going to be an irrational number of days. It's not counting half days. Although you might have a question that does count half days, it's counting full days. So we're going to have whole numbers. Again, because integers, well, not again, I didn't talk about it with you, but integers include negative numbers. We're not going to have negative days, okay? Now remember, irrational numbers are non-terminating, non-repeating decimals. Rational numbers are fractions. Integers include negative and positive numbers, okay? Now we're graphing the following function on the set of axes below. Okay, so we have two functions. Now our function for, let me see, our function for our absolute value looks like this, right? I'm just going to draw it out, and I'm not going to keep it like this, right? I'm just putting it like this for now so you can see the whole function. Okay, this says that the domain is between -3, which is here, right, greater than or equal to. So I'm going to move this to -3. Right, and this is for +1. I'm going to go up to +1, and it is less than, right? I'm going to make sure I move this to where the vertex is supposed to be on 0, 0. Okay, now I'm going to draw. I'm just doing this on Microsoft Word. So this is an open dot. And this is a closed dot. There's a closed coordinate. Okay, now my next rule, or my next condition, is 4, right? So x, y, the output is 4 for all of these options. So I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going from 1, which it's greater than, it's less than or equal to here, through 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, and we're going to have closed dots. Remember, this is an open dot. It just looks, I feel like it was really hard to draw it open, so it looks a little, let me see if I can redo it so it looks better. Okay, well, it's close enough because it's hard to draw on here, and you'll find it might be hard to draw on your exam as well. Okay, and I'm just going to draw a line from 4. Now, you really should label